Hey guys, I'm Purna from the channel Purnankit. As promised on my Facebook page Purnankit that I'll come up with a new video on an indoor plant called peace lily, also known by the name Spathiphyllum. I'll repeat, Spathiphyllum, which is also declared by NASA as one of the best air purifier indoor plant. So guys, peace lilies are one of the most common house plants. They're really very easy to grow, and of course they look beautiful too. They're tropical and evergreen plants, and they bloom throughout the year. They can grow up to 16 inches tall. The plant loves warm and humid climate. By the way, I bought this plant from a local nursery for rupees 50, and I got 3 plants at the same, so that makes it very reasonably priced. I'll take you around to the nursery I usually visit someday. Anyways, so let's get back to the same topic, peace lily. Now, most of the people have read or heard about the plant, that the peace lily plant is poisonous. Yeah. Now the question is, how true is that? Of course, yes, it's very, very true. All the parts of the peace lily plant, they contain calcium oxalate. It's a substance. It may cause stomach and respiratory irritation if ingested in large amounts. Sometimes when we don't take care of our pets, like when we don't look after them, they intend to eat the plants, the leaves of the plant we have in our home. So keep peace lilies out of reach of the small children you have at your home, or pets if you have them at home. So the plant peace lily, they love well-draining potting soil. They love moist soil. They do not like soggy. By moist, I don't mean to say soggy. Keep it moist and well-drained. Spring is the good time for its repotting. When when you want to repot your plant, or when you want to transfer your plant to some other pot, or when it outgrows your old pot. See, I've put the thikri, it's called thikri in Hindi, on the hole to prevent the soil from going out. Now, many people are also curious to know, can the peace lilies be grown in water? The answer is yes. But the important thing to remember and follow that the base of the plant should be suspended above the water line. What I mean by above the water line is the point from where the water starts in an empty in a vessel filled with water. Now that will allow the roots to grow into the water, and also it will keep the leaves from being constantly wet, which can cause rot. Now if you are putting your plant into the soil, then do not overwater the plant. Keep the soil moist, as I discussed. Keep the soil moist, but do not overwater the plant. It can tolerate short periods of dry soil, but their leaves will start to brown if neglected for too long. The plant peace lily, they're not really heavy feeders. By heavy feeders I mean to say that do not over fertilize the plant. Fertilize the plant occasionally, like you can do it twice a year. That will be enough. They're very tolerant of low light. Low light, say, I do not mean no light at all, right? It loves filtered indirect sunlight. So locate the plant in a room or in a place where it will receive a certain amount of light, but not direct sunlight. So guys, I did a little research online about the plant. Of course, I had to do it for the video, and also for my own knowledge. I found really very interesting things about the plant. It's certainly the best air purifier. These days we hear a lot about the diseases which are not easily cured, and sometimes the diseases are not even curable. What I found in NASA studies, that they discovered that the peace lilies improve the air quality we live in. It removes certain gases, chemicals and substances present in the air we breathe in every day, every single day. Those gases and substances and chemicals are formaldehyde, benzene and carbon monoxide. The plant helps in removing all these three. Now, you need not to go in depth. I'll tell you in short about these, what they do to your body on an everyday basis. Formaldehyde in air, they cause irritation to your eyes, nose and throat. And the second thing, benzene, it is responsible for cancer. And carbon monoxide, which is the third gas, carbon monoxide, they cause headache, dizziness, weakness and upset stomach, vomiting, chest pain, etc. So I think it's enough for you all to know about the plant. I think we have had a pretty good informative discussion today on this plant, and I loved it. It was very full of knowledge. I did research on it for you guys, and it was a good research. Now I'll see you in another new exciting video with something great like this. We can, if you guys like it, let me know in the comment box below. We can do some more videos, I can try and explain the plants in a scientific way like I did today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Till then, bye, take care and happy gardening.